Okay, welcome to my channel once more. Now, if this is your first time getting this video of mine, so please, I want you to quickly do something. Just click on subscribe button, and also you can share this video to whoever you want to see this video. And also, don't hesitate, don't just make the mistake of not watching this video to the end, because you are going to learn a lot here. I want to show you this platform whereby you can register with and you can use to secure your phone. Not only that, you can use to track any lost phone. I mean it will work with Google Map and it's working 100%. You can use it to track any lost phone and even to also follow up with your loved ones. If they are worried, just enter their phone number and enter their email or whatever device name, and it's going to show you the exact location where they are. Let me dive in very fast. Like I said, we are going to I'll prepare a landing page whereby when you click on when you use the link, it's going to land you directly to where you can get a subsidized price for a free trial. If I say free trial, that means instead of paying the amount, because the amount for this software is over 90,000 naira, or let me just say it's over $35. But when you use this landing page now, you are going to be getting it for just $1. It's just 1,900 naira, $1. Now, how are you going to do this? Just enter this link, ads.skivi.com. This is the platform that I just prepared. You can see I've prepared this landing page so that you can get that for almost free, which is just 1,900 naira for you to test it. And if you are not comfortable, you are not satisfied with the results, you can just do what? You can just opt out. It's very simple. Now you can see find any phone in seconds. This is the procedure that you are seeing on your phone, but I'm going to be showing you now by myself. How did these things work? You are going to enter the phone number you want to locate. You can proceed with the email or phone device name. Then you will see the exact location on the map within seconds. That's so simple as that. And you can see I have a lot of reviews from people that have used it and it's still working. You also can test it and you're going to see that it's working. Now let us test it together so that you can see that it's working. Now I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click on it. Like I said, it's not totally free, but the reason why I said it's free is because you are going to be getting it at a subsidized price. That means instead of you paying 90,000 naira to test this software, you are going to be paying 1,900, which is just $1. Now let's test it. Let's see. You are just going to enter your phone number. Let me enter my phone number: 8166467304. No, I made a mistake. 04. Now let's see the magic. Now when I click on find, you can see it's locating my number where I am. Now you can see location available. Now I'm going to proceed, like I said, by entering my email. When I click on email now, it's going to roll it again. Now you can see, boom. Now this is what I'm saying. When you use this landing page now, it's giving me at a price of 1,900 instead of, you can see 97,850, but now I'm getting it for what? 1,900 naira. So you can use this now and let me know. Now if you use this and it will work for you, I'm going to be dropping you a bonus. Do you know that bonus? I will teach you how you can extend this by 7 more days. Yes, that is the bomb that I'm going to drop. Though you have to first subscribe for this. If you use this and you are comfortable or you are satisfied with the results, just drop a comment in the comment section that I'm going to be extending this for you by 7. Yes, that's a promise for me, and you're going to get it. So I'm sure this one should not be a problem. You enter your first name, your last name, your NIN, or whatever details it requires of you, enter your card information and submit the order. Meanwhile, I want to state this very well. If you are not interested after testing it, just ensure that you cancel your card. Just cancel your card if you are not interested in it. But I'm sure that after testing this, you'll be interested. Just beat me up or drop a message in the comment section. Then I'm going to teach you how you can extend it by 7 more days. See you in my next video.